Hey drop services, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to talk about how to create a passive income stream online, and I'll even show you step by step how you can go from $0 to $100,000 revenue in just 12 months. So if you're interested in starting and growing an online business, be sure to click the subscribe button and notification bell. You'll get informative videos on drop servicing, making money online, and related topics dropped weekly. What if I told you it's actually possible to go from $0 to $100,000 in just 12 months? Would you be keen? Better yet, what if I said my method requires next to no daily effort to maintain? Well guys, that's exactly what the concept of passive income can do for you. Passive income is exactly what it sounds like, the income you make passively without having to put in much effort. So the concept of passive income is not new. It has been around for centuries in the offline world. Think about someone who owns rental property. They don't have to do much to make money once they've sorted out their financing. They just sit back and collect the rental income each week and do a little bit of maintenance when needed. Now, with the internet being used by billions of people each day for entertainment and commerce, the same concept can be applied to online business. So if you want to become wealthy, and let's face it, who doesn't, then you need to build wealth. The fastest way to build wealth is by starting a business that makes money in an automated and less labor intensive way. So that's what earning passive income is all about. There are several benefits to earning passive income, including it gives you the ability to work from anywhere: Bali, NYC, Bangkok, Rome, the choice is yours. It gives you more time to follow your other passions and spend more time on your hobbies. And finally, when you're making money through a passive income stream, you're building long-term wealth for yourself and your family. Now, there are quite a few ways that you can build up a passive income stream online. Some of the best and less costly include starting a blog. This is one of the most popular ways to make money online. There are literally millions of blogs on the internet, and you can start a blog around just about any topic that you're knowledgeable about and then make money through displaying adverts essentially. So it's almost free to start a blog, and advertising networks like Google AdWords are easy and free to join. You can also earn money through affiliate marketing. Basically, you help promote other people's products and services, and when you help facilitate a sale, you get a portion of the sale, which is known as a commission. So you can make money through affiliate marketing by promoting the product or service through your own website, or some people do it by paid advertising on Facebook and through Google AdSense. Another popular way to start making money online is to start your own e-commerce website. All you have to do is find a product to sell and set up your own online platform using a platform like Shopify. Then you need to promote your website and manage orders that come in. So you're probably familiar with the concept of dropshipping, whereby you don't have to hold any physical inventory. Someone else takes care of that part of the transaction for you. So starting an e-commerce store is a great way to make money online, but can be quite expensive to get started, and you'll be competing with giants like Amazon and AliExpress. A lot of people also have quite a lot of success with publishing an ebook. Amazon allows anybody to become a published author and start to earn money. Not only can you sell ebooks on platforms like Amazon.com, but you can also sell ebooks directly from your website as well. So publishing ebooks is a great way to make passive income and to establish yourself as an authority, as an expert in your market. Probably the most popular way to make passive income online at the moment is through freelancing. This is when you sell your time and provide a service like copywriting or web design. So this can be done as a side gig, or you can do it as your main thing. It really just depends on what you're after. However, freelancing isn't really a truly passive income stream because you have to do all of the work and you're selling your time by the hour. So the final way to start making money online for free I want to tell you about is online coaching. I know this one well because that is how I make part of my living through selling my course, The Drop Servicing Blueprint. And with the low cost of communication and technology, virtually anyone can package together their knowledge and sell it as a course or offer one-on-one coaching. The key here though is you have to actually know what you're talking about, or no one will buy your course or coaching service, and worse yet, they won't get any results from it. So that's 6 low-cost and accessible ways to make money online, which are all proven ways to build a passive income stream. And the best bit is that you can start start any of them today. I have to be honest here though, with any of those 6 ways, you will have to make some money and you will struggle to get anywhere near $100,000 in revenue. There is a much better online business model that you can follow, and that business model is drop servicing. So drop servicing is one of the best ways that you can build a passive income stream online. If you watch any of my other videos or you know who I am, then you're going to know that I pretty much always talk about drop servicing. So that's my main business, my main specialty. And I've not only started multiple successful drop servicing business, but I teach thousands of people how to start their own drop servicing businesses too through my education company called the Drop Servicing Blueprint. So I totally get that 100K could seem like a lot of money and feel unattainable for you right now, but stick with me here, because the truth is, if you set up a drop servicing business correctly, it's possible and easier than you're probably thinking. It's definitely not a get-rich-quick path to wealth, and it's going to depend on a lot of factors and a lot of hard work. But I know it's possible because I've done it myself. My own drop servicing companies are currently all pulling in over $100,000, and today I'm going to share exactly how this is possible. There is simply no other type of business I would rather start than a drop servicing business. If I was beginning my journey all over again, I would do drop servicing again. So here's how you can do it step by step. First, you need to choose a niche service that you're going to provide. You can drop service almost anything that there's a market for, and you don't need to be an expert about a particular service. I always recommend that you need to at least understand the basics so you know what high quality looks like. For example, if you offer animated videos, then you should at least understand what a good animated video looks like and have an understanding of the quality required. And there are so many options for niche services that you can provide. It would be impossible for me to cover all of them here, but you have things like copywriting, web design, web development, Facebook advertising and management, YouTube advertising, Google advertising, blog post writing. The list really goes on. Ad copywriting, animated video creation. There's so many options for different niches and service combinations, and that's why it's so good to get into, because there's never too much competition in your particular service and niche. And ideally you want to choose a niche that's highly profitable, easy to understand, and easy to sell. The simpler your business is, the easier you're going to be able to sell it to clients, find freelancers, and scale your business. So now that you know what you're going to sell, the next step is to research the competition in your niche. Before I continue, let me tell you one of the biggest benefits of drop servicing as a business model, and that is you don't have to reinvent the wheel when it comes to how you market your service. All you have to do is find out what your competitors are doing, what's working for them, and copy it. You might find your competitors promote their service through offering it as a subscription service, or they heavily promote their services through Facebook ads. If it's working for them, then it will work for you as well. You can also use platforms like Upwork and Fiverr and Freelancer to search for services that are high demand and get a good idea for what the prices are being charged for them. So if you want to find projects that are more likely to pay better, target high GDP countries where it is much more likely they will have a significant budget to spend. So the easiest way to find your competitors is just to Google your niche services, then visit the websites of your competitors to see how they're promoting themselves, how much they're charging. Again, just to emphasize the point, you don't have to reinvent the wheel here, just copy what's already working. So the reason this works is because those companies have collectively spent tens of thousands of dollars working out the best way to market themselves, so you don't have to, right? It's pretty cool. So now that you know what your competitors are offering, you need to create your own offer. You need to create your packages so that you're able to sell those packages yourself. It needs to be a compelling offer that you're going to present to your clients. So let's say you're going to offer animated video services for clients. You could simply make your offer really simple by selling 30 seconds, 1 minute or 2 minute videos, which includes everything from writing the scripts to actually making the video. So each option has a different price and could be done within a different time frame. So this way, it'll be really easy for prospective clients to understand what you're selling, and most importantly, it shows how much value each option provides them. So if you want to get to $100,000 in revenue, then you need to try and make as much money as possible from each client, and one of the best ways to achieve this is to sign up clients who will become long-term recurring customers. So take this into account when you're designing your offer and who you're targeting, for example, marketing agencies. Now, if you know anything about drop servicing, you'll know your main advantage over your local competitors is that you're outsourcing the project delivery. You're outsourcing to freelancers who can do the work to a high standard for a fraction of the cost compared to local companies. So I'll explain in a minute how to find freelancers, but first I just want to emphasize that when you're designing your offer, don't just focus completely on price. think about it from a client's point of view and try to improve your offer and improve your service, make sure it delivers real value. Well, ideally, help solve a real business problem they have, right? So how can you do this? Well, one of the easiest ways is to emphasize you'll be their on-demand partner when it comes to the service you provide. This means they essentially don't have to hire experts in-house because they have you on call to provide the service for them, which ends up being a lot cheaper for them as well. So given how much red tape, costs and liability are involved in hiring full-time staff, especially in developed countries, believe me, this is really valuable for a business. So your next step is to find freelancers who can help you with project delivery. These are the people who will actually do the majority of the work. Some of the top platforms to hire freelancers that I recommend are Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, People Per Hour, and there's a ton of other options out there. You can also go on student job boards, Facebook groups, LinkedIn groups, and you'll find a lot of great freelancers out there. On these platforms, you can post an advert with freelancers that will contact you. And when I'm hiring new freelancers, I like to choose maybe 3 or 4 of the best candidates and get them to do a test assignment, like writing a blog post, for example, or make a 20-second video. And this way I can see for myself who the best one is and then hire them. So you might have to spend a bit more money to hire people this way, but it's definitely worth it in the long term. Just remember that you might need to find freelancers that charge less than you're charging your clients. That's the difference, right? That's your profit margin. So don't go for the cheapest option as well though. It's worth it to pay a little bit more money to get the best freelancer. And if you've watched my other videos, you'll know it's a super important step to get right, because it's probably the most crucial part of building a successful drop servicing business and making sure that you have a good profit margin. So far, you've got your service and you've got your freelancers. The next step is to actually market your services, right? So I might sound like a broken record here, but again, the best way to position your service is to focus on messaging, solving problems, and proving you can add value to their business. And the way you do this is by using your team of experts to make their daily life easier. So if you can do this, then you'll be able to land high-paying recurring clients and you'll be earning 100K or more in no time. So I know from talking to lots of you, sales calls can be pretty intimidating, and that's why initially I recommend starting out with automated email campaigns. So if you're just starting, automated email campaigns are by far the most cost-effective and time-saving way to find clients. Sending out emails to your clients one by one can be really time-consuming and tedious. So the best way to solve this is to use software automation services. Automated campaigns enable you to send out hundreds of emails a week directly into highly targeted clients' inboxes. So the whole campaign can be completely automated, and usually what works really well is sending out an initial email and then a series of friendly follow-up emails. So the aim should be to get the client to go to your website, book a sales call with you, or directly buy your services from your website. So you can easily build your website using a platform like WordPress or Squarespace, and it can be worth hiring someone to do it for you as well. But at this stage, you'll be up and running, and you'll need to turn your focus on delivering your services for the clients, bringing on new clients, and scaling up your business to making 100K per year or more in revenue. You'll easily achieve this scale by automating your business with software and people. Now, 100K per year might sound like a lot, so here's a way to think about it. Simply break it down into smaller amounts, right? And all of a sudden, it doesn't seem so unrealistic. So let's take a look real quick. To get to 100K each year, you'll need 50 times $2,000 projects or 20 times $5,000 projects. So that's less than 1 a week or 1 each fortnight, which is really achievable. And once you're delivering outstanding services and solving clients' problems, you can upsell these clients, order a $5,000 project onto a retainer-based service where you can continue to scale your business year after year. So that's a true passive income. So how quickly can you scale your business? Well, scaling your business is all about establishing your team and getting a system in place to deliver value to your clients in a time-effective manner. This means having your automated sales system in place, hiring freelancers, and having systems to manage the projects for you. And the sooner that you can do that, the sooner you'll be able to automate everything. So you're doing that through both software and humans, your freelancers, right? So the faster you can do this, the faster you'll grow. And your role as the business owner is to focus on tasks like signing up new clients, proving what value you can provide, and managing projects. This way, you'll be growing your business each and every day. And it goes back to the saying, work on your business, not in your business. And that's it, guys. That is how you go from $0 to $100,000 in 12 months. Follow these steps and focus on providing real value to your clients. Then before you know it, you'll create a long-lasting, sustainable profitable drop servicing business. So that's the video today, team. Hopefully after this you'll take the plunge and start your first drop servicing business and start your journey to a life of financial freedom, right? So once again, subscribe, notification bell, and comment below any questions you have, and I will answer you in an upcoming Q&A video. So until next time, drop services, I'll talk to you soon.